Hello, everyone. My name is Confidence, and I'm a developer advocate at AppSmith. Welcome to the first edition of the AppSmith Community Spotlight. And today I'm joined by Siddharth. Hello, Siddharth.
Hi, Confidence.
Yeah, it's good to have you here. So tell me a little bit about yourself.
I am Siddharth Mishra. I am from India and I am currently studying computer science engineering in my third year. I love to solve problems in the real life as well as in technical fields, and I love to go for hackathons. Till date, it's my second year. I am participating in this Hacktoberfest. Till date, I have contributed in 40 organizations. So that's all about me.
How did you learn how to code?
This actually started when I was in my high school. My father had his first touchscreen mobile phone, and it had some basic applications. I was very fascinated about like how did these apps work, like who made these apps, and how did they made, and like I guess this was the point where my interest towards the app development thing is sparked. And see, now today I am a Flutter app developer.
So, what's the favorite project that you have worked on?
There is a project that I made for the national level hackathon conducted by Government of India. It's Smart India Hackathon 2020. I made Sahyatri. It's an app that makes the fuel related navigation easier for the users, and it also like makes the tracks the usage fuel usage of the vehicle. I made this app, and I was like in my first year of the college, and it was very special to me. So that's why I like this project even now in my third year. So yeah.
So, how did you get to know about AppSmith?
Actually, when I went into the college in 2019, my senior said asked me to like start contributing into open source and like to go and to participate in Hacktoberfest. But as a beginner, I was very like I had fears about like where to start, what to learn, what to contribute. So in 2019, I didn't do so good. But in 2020, I thought why not utilize the time? I just googled out the organizations like what are the good organization where a beginner can like contribute and come up with a good contribution, like meaningful contributions. AppSmith, I guess it was the first year they were participating in Hacktoberfest Fest in the year 2020. I just came up to their repository, and after reading the README tagline, the first tagline that it's an powerful open source framework for internal tools. As a beginner, I was unable to understand, but as I went through the whole README, because of the interesting GIFs and pictorial representations, I was able to figure out. And yeah, I ended up solving a 2 or 3 issues that year also. And this year I have solved like around 4 to 5.
So, what do you love about the AppSmith community?
The best part of AppSmith community is the people who maintain the projects here, because they are so kind and polite. Like if I am stuck in a problem, I can like directly go on to the maintainers and ask them for like what's the problem out here, and actually they try to solve the problem very personally. They are very sweet, and like they devote their time for each of the contributors. Like they don't like differentiate that this is not a big issue that is concerning them, so they won't give time. They actually welcome every kind of contributor in their repository. So that's the best thing. The other thing is the documentation part of the project is so good that till now I haven't faced any problem in this project while I'm contributing. So a beginner can just go and read and documentation and get the work done.
Do you have any message for the community?
I would say that if I can do, then anyone can do it. So after 2 years of experience, also I consider myself as a beginner, and I go on to any project. I just start from the basic, very basic. I go on to the README documentations and learn what the project is about. Then I go through the file structure, try to analyze like how the files work here in this project, and then I go to the issues. So I would say for the new contributors that are looking into some of the projects, just don't go into the issues and like run for the swag bags. First understand the projects, then you can find out a issue that you will be able to solve, and AppSmith is always there to welcome you.
I wanted to thank you so much for joining us today on the call, Siddharth. So, where can people find you online?
I'm super active on LinkedIn. You can find me out there as Siddharth Mishra, and NIT Raipur you will type and I will be there. And you can also stalk me out on my GitHub profile. It's hard-coder05. From there you can find all my links and social media platforms.
Thank you so much for joining us this week on the Community Spotlight. If you're new here, I'll be leaving a link in the description so that you can join us on Discord. And also, don't forget to get subscribed so that you would not miss any new video in this series. All right, thank you so much. Yeah, see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.